Adding checkmark options to a hot doodle form. If you have a form that you want to have your visitors enter multiple selections in, you would use a checkbox. Click Edit Form Block, click Edit Fields. From the drop-down, choose Checkbox. Now our two checkboxes that I'm going to show you how to create are going to be for products and services. People are going to check whether they're interested in products or services. However, the checkbox means that they could also select both. So the first identifier will be products. And the caption will also be products. And the caption will be what the visitor sees. The identifier will be what you use to identify this field. Go ahead and click a check mark because we want to put the caption on the right of the checkbox. Click Save. Our new checkbox is added at the bottom. Let's go ahead and add another checkbox. From the drop-down, again, let's choose checkbox. And this time we're going to put in services. It's the identifier, services as the caption. Again, let's check to add the caption on the right. Click Save. So now we have our two checkboxes in the form. However, they don't ask a question yet. So what we're going to use in HotDoodle to ask the question to tell people why would you be clicking on products or services, we'd use a static label. So choose static label from the drop-down. Now we're going to type in here interested in and click Save. Now we need to move our static label above products and services because we're asking people, are you interested in products or services? So use the green arrow to move it up. Click Done. Go to the top and click Return to Main Page. So now your form says interested in, and people have the choice of selecting products and services. So you can add as many check marks as you want in a HotDoodle form. Now by default the static label appears right above the check boxes, but possibly you might want to move it over to the side so that it lines up with the rest of the form. Let me show you how to do that. Click on Edit Form Block. We're going to edit the fields and click Edit Static Label. This check mark lets the label span all the way across the form. So add a check mark there, click Save. Now click Return to Main Page. Now the interested in static label is moved to line up with the rest of the form. So now you know how to add check marks to a form in HotDoodle.